Yeah.
No, so it's just a little.
Today, you're going to copy, you and Mummy both are going to copy what Daddy does. Daddy's going to do some sign language, and you and Mummy are going to copy it. But you and Mummy have to guess what I'm trying to say in sign language, okay?
Yeah.
Right, if you can get it right.
And you got pretend you can't.
Okay. Right, so if you get this right, listen. If you get the words right, you get to pie Daddy in the face with loads of cream. Yeah, well, we could just put loads of cream on a plate and pie me in the face with loads of cream.
Okay, I hope I do it.
Alright, he's gonna guess. Right, so hand like this. And go.
Knock, knock.
That was close. It's not knock, knock. I'll do it again. If you ask Daddy for an ice lolly, Daddy normally says this.
Yes.
Yes!
I get to fight them.
We'll get the next one then. Next one.
Right, you got right the next one. Right, so if this is yes, so copy me, right? This is yes.
Yes.
Right, what is this? That what?
No.
Yeah, so do it for me. Do it. You gotta go like this. You gotta move
Swish
your
your hand
wrist.
side to
Yeah.
side.
Right, are you ready? Right, so copying Daddy first. So.
Thank you.
Yes!
How did you know that? How did you know that?
You use that at school, don't you?
Wow, do that again, show me.
Thank you.
Oh my god, that is amazing.
I knew it.
Right, and that one. I hope I get this one right, okay? Right, so look at my fingers, so like this. Yeah, and then one down, one another one, and then we go like this. I'll give you a clue, alright? What is Mummy, Daddy, Chase, and Belle? What are we?
People.
We are
Well,
people.
we are what we make together as a
Family.
Family! Yeah, so go like this, and then this one, and then big circles. Family. This is a good one. You'll get this one. I'm not going to give you any clues for this one.
Oh.
Right, watch this.
Baby.
Yeah.
That's a good one.
Baby. Hug.
Nelly hug, but what do I do? Why do people hug people?
Loving.
Yes, that was good. Well done. Love. That means love. So hands up.
Love.
That means love. So we make a little cross. So we're there. Hands up. And then we go. No, it's nearly crawling. This is a hard one. This is a really hard one. So hands
Like
up.
that.
Like this. And then we go in.
That is my scar gone.
What do you do at school? No, stop. What do you do at school? No, what else do you do? So we put something in our brains. We are
Eating.
learning. That's how you say learning. So you hands up
Hands
and then you
up,
go
so
in.
we're learning.
We're learning. Right, so I'm gonna make this one extra hard. And if you get it right, you get to pie Daddy, alright?
We're gonna get it right.
Come back.
That was close though. It's not really close, but it's a good guess. Right, so if I do it again. So look what I'm doing. You're never gonna get this one.
What was sounds to do with what's this? Like me,
Yeah, so I'm
I am Belle.
learning to sign.
yeah. So
Very good.
I'm learning sign.
Bye.
Yeah.
I get to fight
You get the party. Right, so you get ready.
So we're only going to do a little.
You're only gonna do a tiny bit.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Just like that,
Tiny
Daddy.
little bit, yeah.
Okay, close your eyes now.
I'll close my eyes and then I'll get ready. There's a time. There's some very funny noise going on.
Oh no, it's just
There's some funny noise going
It's
on.
just the
I'll close
telly.
my eyes.
tell Daddy it's just a telly.
I hope
Are you
I'm not going to
ready?
get pied too much.
No, so it's just a little.
Oh. You didn't even give me a warning. Oh.
Look at Daddy's face.
You didn't even give me a warning. You said a little bit.
Thanks for watching. Bye.